A leaking humidifier is a nuisance and can cause a lot of damage. Try these troubleshooting steps to solve the problem. Keep in mind, for the humidifier to function, the furnace needs to be on and in the heat mode. Begin by locating the water line to the humidifier. Trace the line back to the shutoff valve. Turn the water off. This will prevent additional water from entering the humidifier, but won't solve your leak problem. Next, check the humidifier pad for corrosion. If it's corroded, replace it. A corroded pad restricts the flow of water and will cause a leak. You'll also want to check the drain line under the humidifier for blockage. Remove the drain line and inspect the drain port. Replace the tube and secure. Now it's time to test the system. Turn the water back on. Turn the humidistat to the highest setting. Adjust the thermostat in the house up high enough to start the furnace. Next, check for leaks in the system. If there are no leaks, you solve the problem. If you still have a leak, shut off the water source and call Bonfi for help from an expert technician.